How to add different page numbers in Google Docs. So here's my document and you can see all of these different page numbers. And at the moment, if I go and try and change any of these numbers manually, you can see it actually changes the number for all of the pages. So I'll show you how to go and add custom page numbers to your Google Docs. Now, first thing you need to do is scroll down to the bottom of the page where you want the numbers to begin changing. So basically, I want this first page to be labeled as 1, and I want this second page to be labeled as something else. So I'm going to place my mouse cursor at the bottom of page 1. You could then click on Insert, click on Break, and then click on Section Break Next Page. Now, if it creates a new page like this, you can just use the back arrow to come back over to the previous page. So I'm just going to keep pressing the back arrow to bring my text back up like this. Now, once you've done this, double click on the page number that you want to change, uncheck Link to Previous, and then type in the page number you want to add. Now, as you can see, this page number will remain page number 1. And the second page number will be a completely different number. Now, you can basically use this same method throughout your document. So for example, I could scroll down even further to another page number. I could then place my mouse cursor where I want it to change, click on Insert, and then go and add another section break. You could then double click on the page number once again, uncheck Link to Previous, and you can also change this page number as well. So basically, as you can see, you can have completely different page numbers for all of the pages in Google Docs.